Twende.
So after you cut the piece of iron sheet, you make sure that the bottle is being fixed on the hole. Make sure that there is some part of the side of the bottle that is hanging down. This is what is going to be inside the room. And you have to make sure that you apply the silicone rubber, just to make sure that the water is not going to like come out. For example, when it's raining, just put the silicone around the hole, just to make sure that there's no hole. And then you wait for at least 10 minutes for the silicone to dry, and the bottle will be very tight. So the next move, or the next step, will be to put water inside the bottle. And then we will also put some